Let's explore how to use the HTTP module to create your first web server. We'll be building web servers using Node.js's built-in HTTP module. This module provides the functionality you need to handle web requests and responses. The HTTP module is a built-in Node.js core module. It provides utilities for creating HTTP servers and clients. This means you can use it to build web servers that listen for incoming HTTP requests, and also to make HTTP requests from your Node.js application to other servers. Before you can start using the HTTP module, you need to import it into your Node.js file. You can do this with the require function. Here's the code to import the HTTP module. Const HTTP equals require HTTP. This line of code loads the HTTP module and makes its functions and objects available for you to use. Now let's create a basic HTTP server. Here's the code. Const server equals http.create server, function, req, res.writeHead 200, content type, text/plain, res.end, hello world. This code creates a server that listens for incoming requests. When a request is received, the function inside create server is executed. It sets the response status code to 200, which indicates success, sets the content type to plain text, and sends the text hello world as the response. To start the server and make it listen for incoming requests, use the listen method. Here's the code: server.listen 3000, function, console.log, server running on port 3000. This code tells the server to listen on port 3000. When the server starts listening, the function inside listen is executed, which logs a message to the console indicating that the server is running. Here's the complete code for a basic HTTP server. Const HTTP equals require HTTP. Const server equals http.create server, function, req, res.writeHead 200, content type, text/plain, res.end, hello world, server.listen 3000, function, console.log, server running on port 3000. This code imports the HTTP module, creates a server that responds with hello world, and starts the server listening on port 3000. To test your server, open your web browser and go to the address http://localhost 3000. If everything is working correctly, you should see the text hello world displayed in your browser. This confirms that your server is running and responding to HTTP requests. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first web server using Node.js's HTTP module. Your server can now handle HTTP requests and send responses to clients. This is a fundamental step in building web applications with Node.js, and you're well on your way to creating more complex and interactive servers. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.